Hello, everyone. So today what I wanted to show you is a way that I use technology in my classroom. So one of my huge classroom management strategies is timers. So letting them know they don't have all day to complete a task. So there's this website where I get these really cool timers. They're really interactive. They're really fun. My kids love them. And that is what I'm going to show you today. So the website here is called, give me 1 second. I always have a million tabs open. That is the story of my life. It is online-stopwatch.com. And there are just about any sort of timer that you could use. There's holiday timers, classroom timers, race timers. Like there's so many different things. So this is free. You don't have to do the premium version, but you can click on any one of these. This is like an emoji race. You can click on the amount of time you want your students to have. Let's just say let's do 4 seconds so you can just see how it works. And then you click start. And then it'll give them it'll show like a race. And they absolutely love these timers. It actually they'll even sometimes choose character. So it's really fun. That's like one of the timers that you can see. They've got these holiday timers, space and sci-fi timers. Like there's just so many different timers that you can use. And sometimes if I'll have a kid pick what timer we use. Like classroom timers, if you want them to be super simple, there are like an egg timer, a clock countdown, or a candle timer. I'll show you the egg timer, the sand timer. You can set, like I said, you can set your time, like 1 minute, press start, and then the students will see that they have 1 minute to complete the task that they're doing. I use timers literally all day. One thing that I've noticed, kids, especially younger kids, they don't have any sense of time, which is why it's so important to visually see how much time that they have to do something and to complete something. So I highly recommend that you use this app. Like I said, it's free, online-stopwatch.com. Not only do they have, and they even have sensory timers as well. Honestly, I absolutely love these. My kids love these. If I notice good behavior, I'll let a student choose which timer that we get to do for the day. There's even a candy timer. Like there are so many that you can choose from. And like I said, kids absolutely love this. But not only does it have timers, I'm also going to show you something else that it has that my students love. It even has name pickers. So I'll put all my students' names, and all you have to do is click on this little settings wheel and put all of your names and click save. It'll let you save one of these for like the free version, but you only need one if you only have one class. And my kids love this. So like if they're choosing a brain break, it goes down and then it clicks the name, and then that student gets to choose a brain break. So this website is like the coolest thing ever. It's visually appealing. My students love it. Highly recommend it. And it's super user friendly, super easy to use. So again, it is online-stopwatch.com. And if you want to find the claw machine, all you have to do is go into the search bar and click claw machine right here. And then it'll be right here. So like I said, just go through this website, see everything that you can do. You can do group generators if you want to do like a group activity. But like I said, this is the coolest website to use. This is just another way that I use technology in my classroom. So I hope you guys got something out of this. Like I said, go through this, use it. It is such a wonderful resource. Thank you.